Hey guys, I'm back and I'm here to share with you some ideas. Is this what it looks like when you're starting to make gift baskets for your family and friends? Let me get a closer look. I've got a mosh podge of everything. I have a tin that I got from Dollar Tree a while ago, and they were making baskets with this, and I like that idea, so I'm going to do it again. I have an old kind of rustic looking basket. Looks like it's been worn and torn, but I do kind of like the color of it. I've got this one basket. I actually bought it. It was new at a thrift store, but look, the handle's broken. But you know what? That's an easy fix. That's what scissors are for. And I've got these tins I purchased from Target 2 years ago. I got so many of them that I still have 2 packs left. And I've got to figure out something to do with that. If I'm making gift baskets, I don't know what size I need. I've got a Nike shoebox. I have all those sales. I've got more stuff. This is a plastic container from Dollar Tree. $1. Handles on each side. And I have a bucket. Got that from Dollar Tree too. And just in case that's not enough, I have my absolute favorite tote bag that I got from a job fair, and it's got Wells Fargo on it. Absolutely love it. Well, I'm going to show you how to take this entire mess and make it into beautiful, simple gifts that you can be proud to give your family and friends. For my first basket, I'm using items from the Bolero Bath collection. Okay guys, if you shop where I shop, then you know exactly where I got these. I do love these. This is a plant-based soap. They have different scents that come out at different times, and I've given a lot of these away. Every time they come out with a new scent, I buy 5. I love them. I always buy 5 so I can share 2 and keep 3 for me. Alright, so what I'm going to do is start off with this Dollar Tree tin. Now you can paint this, which is what they did in the earlier videos. They painted it kind of a white to look like a bathtub, and then used PVC piping to make like a little spout come up and over. I'm not going to do all that. So I'm going to start with something tall in this side. See why it doesn't matter so much the color? I'm going to start with something tall in this side. Let's turn this up so you can see it just a little bit. I'm getting used to this. I got this for Christmas last year. This pack of facial towels, I got them last year. They were a Christmas deal. I got them for 25 cents. Somebody didn't see them. I don't know. It's pretty cool. I'm going to put the soap in between the two. See if that fits. This here. I'll add the hand cream here. And just so they know that it's for the bathroom, I will move and cram that down in right there. I think that makes a lovely little basket. Moving on to number 2. Now this basket I got, and it was new from a thrift store. So I'm just going to clip. Oh, this is very tough, and my scissors aren't. There we go. Okay, I'm struggling a little bit. I'm going to cut off this side right here. I'll get that in a little bit. Okay, now for this, I do want a little bit of filling. I really hope this brown works. But I like this kind of rustic look to it. Alright, so I'm going to add, these are vanilla and cream. One of the first ones I ever got. Loved it. This one is a little bit too tall. We're going to just cut the top off right here. And we're just going to kind of tuck it right underneath. We're going to add our soap. I think I need to cut just a little bit more. Alright, I'll be right back. Okay, I got it. So I trimmed the top off just a little bit so it slides down under here a little better. Now guys, you can probably do a lot better at this than I can. I'm not very good at it. I just keep playing with it until I think it looks okay. This is what it looks like so far. I will then add just a little bit more to the top of that. Oh, flip it over so the top shows. There we go. For my next basket, I'm using items from a car cleaning kit I bought at Walmart at 75% off after Christmas. Okay, next I have a car cleaning kit that I got from Walmart on clearance last year. and I don't want to present it in the box. Thus, I have the Dollar Tree bucket. And I've stuffed it full of newspaper. And I will begin with the larger things in the back, as always. Right here. I'll go for this in the middle. I guess this kind of right here. I'll try this to the side. Again, guys, I am so not very good at this. I do notice there's some wiggle room, so I'll stuff some newspaper down in there. And I went ahead and finished this one off so you wouldn't hear the crinkling paper. Okay, on this next one, I have folded down the edges of my shopping bag, and I'm going to make a hair care because I got this at Dollar General when it was like 75% off and only paid $3 for it. And I got this hairbrush kit after Christmas and only paid $2.44. And I'll show you what it looks like. Okay, so to make this personal, all I did was add a little hair care for the brushes. So Pantene, added the razors, and I added some Olay. And just to kind of touch it off for that little final touch, I am going to add emery boards. Now this bag is a little bit flimsy, but when I use the plastic bags that I get from Dollar Tree, it will hold just fine. You'll see. Okay, my next set is using my Dollar Tree bin. It is very light. These are e.l.f. makeup sets that I got everything from eyeshadow to the mirror to the lip things and the brow kits. And I only paid a total, well, it didn't matter how much I paid, but I got this at a really good percentage. I do have balled up paper in the bottom, if you can see that down in there. And I topped it off with red shredded paper, and I think that makes a beautiful gift. I'm now going to turn this box into a basket. Voila, my shoebox basket. And finally, it's my It's All About You basket. I love this. It's got a full season of 24 with Kiefer Sutherland. I love that. Popcorn and the warmer, the Glade candle warmer. So, okay, so here's what they turned out like after I wrapped them. The first one, the Bolero Soap Collection, is loosely wrapped. I will tighten it right before presentation. I had some old gold ribbon from Walmart last year. I paid very little for. I used that same gold ribbon on the second basket that I made, and I think it turned out nice, simple. It's got a clean look, not a bad gift to give to someone just to say, hey, I thought of you. And when you're shopping for a guy or trying to give a guy something that's often really hard, the guys are into cars, things like that. You know, this would be a great go-to. I like this one because you can actually do something with it. The hairbrush, the curling iron, anyone can use that. Now this is my absolute favorite just because of the colors. The red, the white, the basket, it just went really well. It almost looks professional. So I might let my daughter give this to one of her friends. And finally, the relaxation basket. It's not my favorite. However, you know what? It's just an idea. So guys, I hope this sparks some ideas for you. These are the ones that I've made. So happy holidays and Merry Christmas.